Hey guys, welcome back to my segment. My name is Giovanni Iglesias, and today we're going to be talking about Ecuador. But first, let's hit the intro. So today I would like to talk about Ecuador. So for those of you that don't know, Ecuador is hurting. They're doing much worse than we are. And I don't think anyone's doing anything about it. I've been coming across some videos that my friends have been sending me and what I've been seeing in social media, and it's been very difficult to see this.
La pandemia del coronavirus muestra su rostro más desgarrador en las calles de Guayaquil, en Ecuador, donde yacen varios cadáveres abandonados, algunos en descomposición. En unos casos no está claro que fueran víctimas de la COVID-19, en otros es evidente.
De 4 días falleció mi primo, estamos llamando a la policía y no viene.
Familiares y vecinos de los fallecidos están consternados.
Hay dos señores enfermos ahí, un viejito y mi mamá que está en esa ova. No viene ni la ambulancia, por favor, vengan a atenderlo.
El gobierno, que ha pedido perdón por lo ocurrido, augura tiempos muy difíciles.
Estamos trabajando para que cada persona sea sepultado con dignidad, en espacios unipersonales y diciendo siempre la verdad. Los expertos médicos, lamentablemente, nos han dicho y estiman que fallecidos en estos meses llegarán entre 2.500 a 3.500 por COVID, solo en la provincia del Guayas.
El Hospital Monte Sinaí de Guayaquil ha dispuesto 3 contenedores para albergar los cadáveres de fallecidos por la COVID-19. Están junto a la verja del recinto y el vecindario no da crédito a lo que ven sus ojos.
No sabía para qué era, pero hoy preguntando me dijeron de que eso es para meter los cadáveres, todo lo que hay en el hospital, y creo que también están trayendo de otros lugares porque está copado, dicen, el hospital del Guasmo.
Se estima que en Ecuador han muerto más de 120 personas por el coronavirus y el número de fallecidos diarios no deja de incrementarse. Más de 3.000 personas han dado positivo en los test y hay otros tantos casos sospechosos.
People are dying. There's bodies all over the streets. The police are not really doing anything about it. They're just dropping off coffins in front of their houses, making them deal with the problem. One of the videos that upset me was this lady at a hospital, and she was completely hurt. There were nothing but people outside. They couldn't even get into the hospital. No beds. They didn't have respirators. They didn't have oxygen tanks. Nothing. And no one's doing anything about it. That's just one video. There are many more just like that, if not worse. Here's another video of a gentleman showing you proof of bodies that are just laying on the floor, and they're being told from the police that they're gonna go there within the next hour and pick it up, and they don't. There's no ambulance, there's no help over there. Now, the only reason why I'm making this video today is because I'm asking for your help. Now, I'm gonna start a charity event, and I hope that my friends, my family, those that are watching this video, to find into your heart to help these people in Ecuador. They're doing really bad, and no one's doing anything to help them. The little you can give will make a huge difference. So all I'm asking is for you to please help them. I don't want to be showing you anymore. It hurts me enough to see this. But what I am asking you is to please help. Help these people. If you have families over there that live in Ecuador, call them. Find out how they're doing. Send them money. Do what you have to do to help them. Everything that you're seeing on the news, I mean, especially I've been watching CNN, it's real. People are dying everywhere. What are we doing about it? We have to do something. At least I'm asking you, for those of you who are Ecuadorians like myself, help your family. Do what you have to do to help them. Send money. They need us. More than ever, they need us. So I'm asking you, do what you have to do. I'm gonna do my part. I'm gonna try to open up a charity. And I'll post the links below once I have it. But all I'm asking you is to please help these people. Y for those of you who are in Ecuador, y para los que están allá en Ecuador, yo siento tu dolor. Yo sé lo que está pasando. Y me siento mal. Me gustaría hacer algo, pero no puedo. Estoy aquí. Les pido que todos, por favor, que recen todos los días por Dios. Porque Él sabe lo que está haciendo. Guys, take care. My name is Giovanni Iglesias. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.